If Figma is showing the error, an error occurred while opening editor, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your files. This is a common issue, and it can happen because of your network, a VPN or proxy, blocked secure traffic, or even corrupted desktop app data on Windows. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Let's get started. First, try switching networks. The easiest way to test whether your current connection is the problem is to connect your computer to a mobile hotspot from your phone. If Figma opens normally on the hotspot, that usually means your Wi-Fi, router, school network, or office network is blocking something Figma needs in order to load the editor. This is a very important test because it helps you narrow down the cause right away instead of guessing. If the hotspot works, the issue is most likely with your main network. In that case, you may need to restart your router, contact your network administrator, or adjust firewall settings on the network you use most often. But before making deeper changes, continue through the next steps, because the problem may also be caused by a VPN or proxy. Next, disable any VPN or proxy that is running on your device. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Figma's connection to its servers, especially if the VPN is slow, unstable, or restricted by your organization. If you are using a proxy, turn that off as well. On corporate networks, a firewall can sometimes block the secure connections Figma needs to open the editor. Temporarily disabling those services is a simple way to test whether they are the reason the editor fails to load. After turning off the VPN or proxy, close Figma completely and reopen it. If Figma now works, you found the cause. If not, move on to the network port check because secure web traffic may be blocked. Now check port 443. Figma relies on secure HTTP traffic, which uses port 443, so your network or router needs to allow that traffic. If port 443 is blocked, Figma may not be able to connect properly, and you can see the editor loading error. Also make sure WebAssembly, or WASM, is not being blocked. Figma uses modern browser technology, and if your browser, router, firewall, or security software restricts WASM, the editor may fail to open. If you're on a managed network, this step may require administrator help. If you control the router or firewall yourself, review the settings and make sure secure traffic is allowed. After confirming that port 443 and WASM are permitted, try opening Figma again. If you're still seeing the error on the Figma desktop app in Windows, the next fix is to clear Figma's local app data. This often resolves corrupted files that stop the editor from launching correctly. To do this, first close Figma completely. Make sure it is not running in the background because the folders may not delete properly if the app is still open. Then, open the Start menu, type %appita% plus Figma, and press Enter. This will take you directly to Figma's application data folder on Windows. Inside that folder, look for the desktop folder and the desktop profile folder. Delete both of these folders. These folders can store local settings and cached data, and if they become corrupted, Figma may throw an error when opening the editor. Once those folders are deleted, reopen Figma and sign in again if prompted. The app will rebuild fresh files automatically, which often fixes the problem immediately. In many cases, this is the step that gets Figma working again after the other network checks. If you've gone through all of these steps and Figma still shows the same error, then the issue may be related to a temporary service outage, browser extension conflict, or a deeper account or system issue. At that point, try opening Figma in another browser, restarting your computer, or checking Figma's status page for any service interruptions. So to recap, the main fixes are: test with a mobile hotspot, disable VPN or proxy, make sure port 443 and WASM are not blocked, and on Windows, clear the desktop and desktop profile folders from %app data Figma. These steps solve the issue for many users and can save you a lot of time. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more quick Figma troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.